This is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and in today's video I'll show how you can slightly increase and enhance the system performance on this device. So I recommend that you start with closing all background running or background active apps by opening the list of recent apps here and tapping at the clear all button. Then what you might also want to do is to go into settings, then smart manager, here tap at the memory, and first of all clear all the apps that occupy and clutter your RAM. Then I would also recommend that you go into settings here and switch on the background clear option. Once enabled, it will ensure that your RAM cache and RAM in general is in the most optimal state by automatically closing and clearing the unneeded apps or processes. What else? You can also, I guess, go into battery and make sure that the all battery saving features and modes are switched off like that. And then you can also try performing the storage cleanup. There are various ways and methods you can approach the storage cleanup with, but the easiest method that I know of is through using the Google Files app. So get this app if you do not have it, or if it is installed on your phone, launch it. Then here open the clean section and enroll all the suggestions that it has here. Apply them or install them. Apply them probably will be the best wording. So over here, for me personally, I can clear or clean the junk files, and that's about it. Since my phone and system are fresh, so there are, not that many things to clean and get rid of to begin with. They haven't had a chance to accumulate yet. Anyway, as far as this particular video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.